Traders, you're highly welcome in my channel. This is Forex. Today I would like to share with you what exactly is traded in the market, and we are going to see about it into detail. Okay, so if you like the content, I'm going to subscribe and then also like and also share, and also in case you have anything to say, you can also tell me in the comment below. Yes, so what is traded in the forex market? The simple answer is money. Yeah, molo. Everyone likes it because you are not buying anything physically. This type of trading can be confusing, especially in Uganda. Here, forex trading, it is something new in the country, and most people are not familiar with it, so they confuse it with gambling. And indeed it is not gambling, and actually other people discourage others from it, but it is something very beneficial and good. So today in this video we shall see clearly what trading is and exactly what can be traded. We shall see it into detail. I made a video that tells that what forex is, and in that video I stated that it is buying the currencies from different countries and selling it to get a currency of a different country. You buy the currency from this country and then you sell it to the other country, bidding that their currencies will gain or fall in value. But today we shall see what things are traded. Think of buying currencies as buying a share in a particular country, or you can also take it as buying a stock of a company. The price of a currency is a direct reflection of what the market think about the current and the future health of economy in a particular country. When you buy a currency in a particular country, it is buying a share in that country. When you buy a Japanese yen, you are basically buying a share in Japanese economy. You are betting that Japanese economy is doing well. Actually, not only Japanese economy, that is our example of a particular country that we are using. It can be USA, it can be Uganda, can be Kenya, Rwanda, and Tanzania. When you buy their currencies, it means that you are hoping and expecting that their economy will get well and is also getting even more better for you to actually get your profit from that country. Once you sell those shares back to the market, hopefully you will end up with a profit. Simply, that is it. Buying the currency of that country is buying a share in that country, hoping and expecting to get a profit in a nearby future when the economy of that country booms and gets much more better. Here we have major pairs that are traded with their symbols. Euro USD simply means that you are going to trade the currencies of Eurozone and the United States. And then USD JPY simply means that you're going to trade the currency of United States and Japan. GBP USD simply means that you're going to trade the currencies of United Kingdom and United States. USD CHF simply means that you're going to trade the currencies of United States and Switzerland. And then USD CAD simply means that you're going to trade the pairs of United States and Canada. And then AUD USD means that you're going to trade the currencies of Australia and United States. And then NZD USD means that you're going to trade the pairs of New Zealand and United States. All those currencies are under major simply because they are the most traded pair. Every trader always trade those that we have just seen in the table. So the major currencies pairs, they are always paired with US dollars. They are the most traded pair in this forex market. These are the pairs with a high liquidity than any other pairs in the forex market. The currency symbols of different countries always have 3 letters. The first 2 letters in that symbol identifies the name of that country. The third letter in the symbol identifies the name of that country's currency. For example, let us use NZD. NZ stands for New Zealand, while D stands for dollar in the forex market. In forex, you will always trade currencies in pairs. Currencies are traded through a broker or dealers. Those brokers can be dealers. When you trade in forex market, you buy or sell in currency pairs. Imagine each pair consistently in war with currencies on each own sides of rope. Exchange rate fluctuates based on which currency is stronger at that moment. Also, we have major cross currency pairs or minor currency pairs. These are currency pairs that don't contain US dollars. They are also the most traded pairs in the forex market across the derived from the 3 major non-US currencies. For example, we have Euro, JPY, GBP, JPY or GBP Euro. In this table, we are going to see Euro cross. We shall see them in pairs and countries. Euro, Swiss francs, meaning that Eurozone countries, okay, pairing with Swiss francs. And then pair we have Euro, GBP. Under the country we have Eurozone and United Kingdom. And then the pair we have Euro CAD. Okay, the country mean that Eurozone pairing with Canada. And here under pair we have Euro Audi. The country mean that Eurozone countries paired with Australia. And also we have here Euro NZD. The country is Eurozone pairing with New Zealand. Here we can see we have yen crosses. These are pairs that has yen in them. Under the pair we have Euro JPY. That means Japanese yen. The country is Eurozone, Japan. Also under the pair here we have GBP JPY. That is Great British Pound pairing with Japan. Under the pair here we have Swiss francs. The country is Switzerland pairing with Japan. Under the pair we have CAD JPY. That is Canada pairing with Japan. And then Audi JPY under the pair. And then under the countries we have Australia pairing with Japan. And then under the pair we have NZD JPY. And then under the country we have New Zealand pairing with Japan. So those are the yen cross pairs. In case you have decided that you want to trade pairs with JPY, you'd probably go for those pairs. And in Ugandan time, it starts at 3 a.m. in the morning. Then let us look at pound crosses. In this table, we have GBP, Swiss francs, okay, under the pair, and then the country. It means that you are going to trade the pairs from United Kingdom pairing with Switzerland. And then GBP Audi simply means that you have United Kingdom and Australia, okay, or paired with Australia. And GBP CAD, yeah, under the country it is United Kingdom, Canada. And then last we have GBP NZD. Under the country is United Kingdom, New Zealand. And then other crosses we have Audi Swiss francs. So simply means that you are going to trade the currencies of Australia and Switzerland. And then Audi CAD simply means that you are going to trade the pairs of Australia and Canada. Yeah. And then AUD NZD also simply means that you are going to trade the pairs of Australia and New Zealand. And then CAD CHF simply means that you are going to trade the pairs of Canada and Switzerland. And then NZD CHF means that you are going to trade the pairs of New Zealand and Switzerland. And then NZD CAD simply means that you're going to trade the pairs of New Zealand and Canada also. So we also have exotic pairs. So these exotic pairs are simply a currency of emerging economy. So emerging economy simply means that these are countries that their economy are just growing. There are currencies you can pair with a currency of a country that has already developed in economy, like GBP, okay, that is Great British Pound, or the US dollar. And then you pair that currency with the currency of the countries that the economy are just growing. Now in the chart we can see them here. We have USD HKD, that is United States and Hong Kong, okay, as in a country. And then we have USD SGD, that is United States and Singapore. Those are the countries with emerging economy. But USD, this is a currency of a country with a strong economy already. And then USD ZAR, that is United States with South Africa, meaning that you are going to trade the currency of United States and South Africa. And then USD THB means that you're going to trade the currency of United States and Thailand. And then USD MXN means that you are going to trade United States currency with Mexico. And then USD DKK, you are going to trade the currency of United States and Denmark. And then USD CEK, you are going to trade the currency of United States and Sweden. And then USD NOK, you are going to trade the currency of United States and Norway. Traders are simply, this is actually what I've decided to share with you so that you can know what is traded in the forex market very well. In case you've liked the content, remember to subscribe, like, and share. I will see you next time.